What made me join the program is something like it's been long. I mean, we used to procrastinate a lot of things in life because prioritize karte hain and all this stuff. But yes, we also have to invest in ourselves. Procrastination kind of stuff कि अपने आप को हमेशा पीछे रखना और बाकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती हैं उसको पूरा करने के पीछे हम लोग लगे रहते हैं डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज में. दैट वाज समथिंग विच वाज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज कि फर्स्ट स्टेप लेना इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट. बर्निंग द बॉल वो बहुत पावरफुल था, बहुत अट्रैक्ट इनसाइट था. जब मैंने वो किया एंड आई गॉन थ्रू इट, मैंने उसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपको शेयर किया था. दैट वाज समथिंग लिटरली अंदर से एक 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 काइंड ऑफ गूज बम्स आ रहे थे. काइंड ऑफ सी earlier in my life, probably 6 months back, when I was not joining the program, that time I was kind of a fuzz. बहुत सारा मल्टीटास्किंग होता था और कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होता था. But now I'm more calm, composed, relaxed type of person. I have a more clarity of thoughts that since I started the program, I have buy a car जो मेरा बहुत पुराना ड्रीम था लेकिन बहुत इंसेंटिव था. Then I started writing a book. रीडिंग हैबिट भी ऐड किया है मैंने. और also I'm looking to get a doctorate degree very soon. Just do it. I think this is the best I can share with you all guys. Just do it. This is something आपको पता भी नहीं होता कि हम लोग क्या क्या मिस कर रहे हैं और क्या क्या अचीव कर सकते हैं. So you have to do it. पहले आपको करना पड़ेगा and you have to dedicate yourself for few time and then you will see how it changes your life, your mindset, your curriculum, your perspective about everything. So just do it.
So, hey Gaurav, thank you so much for joining me today. It's been such a wonderful journey watching you growing in your career. And I would love for you to share your experience so that other can also, get inspired. And to start with, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, that what made you to join this program?
My name is Gaurav Mishra. I represent ICC. I am a finance professional since last 21 years and working in a varied background in a various locations. So this is me. And what made me join the program is something like it's been long. I mean, we used to procrastinate a lot of things in life because prioritize karte hain and all this stuff. But yes, we also have to invest in ourselves, and that is what which we are missing since last many years. And that मुझे feeling आया that it's been long or I'm getting late, I'm getting delayed by a lot of things. So I just came to know from the Facebook profile, and I find you. And when I see the videos and other testimonies, I find it very suitable for me, and that makes me join this program as soon as possible. So I took the decision.
Yeah, yes, amazing. So I also, when I met you for the first time, I could sense that energy that this is the guy who's going to take the action. And that's good, powerful. So everybody wants to know that what is your biggest challenge, before you joining the program?
See, what we have seen that in our financial journey, in our professional career paths, we used to have a lot of challenges, or professional and personal both. बट द प्रोकास्टिनेशन काइंड ऑफ स्टफ कि अपने आप को हमेशा पीछे रखना और बाकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती हैं उसको पूरा करने के पीछे हम लोग लगे रहते हैं डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज में. दैट वाज समथिंग विच वाज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज कि फर्स्ट स्टेप लेना इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट. और बीइंग फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट हम लोग ये सजेस्ट भी करते हैं अपने इन्वेस्टर को दैट जर्नी ऑफ 1,000 माइल स्टार्ट्स विद अ सिंगल स्टेप. तो वो सिंगल स्टेप मैंने अपने लिए इसलिए, और यही सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था कि वो सिंगल स्टेप लेना टफ था. That there are a lot of money involved, lot of insights. Time involvement is also very important क्योंकि आजकल हम लोग अपने लिए टाइम नहीं निकाल पाते, तो अपने प्रोग्रेशन के लिए टाइम निकालना इज ऑल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट मैनेजिंग द फैमिली एंड ऑल. बट येस, वो टाइम का और बाकी चीज़ों का जब मैचअप हुआ एंड आई फाइंड इट कि दिस हैज टू हैपन, इट इज नाउ और नेवर. तो उस दिन मैंने डिसीजन लिया एंड दैट वाज अ चैलेंज व्हिच आई ओवरकम.
Absolutely, absolutely. Basically taking that action, because people think of कि मुझे करना है, मुझे change करना है, but when it comes to actually, executing that what change you want to do, वो एक dare करना ही बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, because they do not doubt the program, they doubt themselves.
Yeah.
That would I be able to take the action or not? Okay, so this is one step they have to take, and then like a flawless journey, because सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल जो होती है वो start करने में ही होती है.
Yes, absolutely, बिल्कुल correct.
So that's really powerful. So I also wanted to know, and everybody who is watching this interview wants to know, that what is that biggest breakthrough or that aha moment you have experienced during the program?
Say there are a lot of kind of a moments, aha moments, because when it was probably second session when we have an activity burning the ball, वो बहुत पावरफुल था, बहुत अट्रैक्ट इनसाइट था. जब मैंने वो किया एंड आई गॉन थ्रू इट, मैंने उसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपको शेयर किया था. दैट वाज समथिंग लिटरली अंदर से एक काइंड ऑफ गूज बम्स आ रहे थे काइंड ऑफ। तो वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा सेशन था, फॉलोड बाय एक सेकंड जब हम लोग ने होपोनोपोलो किया था, मेडिटेशंस किए थे, अफर्मेशंस किए थे, ऑल दिस आई मीन, ये सब ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई नाउ फील दैट इसमें बहुत सारा मैसेज है, बहुत सारा थॉट है, क्लैरिटी है जो धीरे धीरे आता रहता है। एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट योर जेस्चर, योर एफर्ट्स, जो बीच बीच में हमने लगातार, कभी कभी मैंने डिमोटिवेट भी हुआ, यू पुश इट हार्ड कि नहीं, वी हैव टू डू इट, आज ही करना है। तो दैट रियली मेक्स वेरी गुड। एंड एक एक चक्रा सेशंस में भी मुझे बहुत फीलिंग आई थी जब मैं वो चक्रास कर रहे थे। तो दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आई सजेस्ट दैट वी शुड डू इन अ रेगुलर एक्टिविटी एज अ डिसिप्लिन्ड अप्रोच, एंड दैट gives you a different kind of a session, motivation to do the task.
Yeah, so powerful. And I'm so close to all the activities which you have mentioned. Burning Bowl, wherein we worked on the belief system you have. Then there is a chakra healing, which is again so powerful, that how important it is for all of us to make sure that our chakras are aligned. And
Mm,
there are so many powerful activities, and it happens that कभी कभी हम ध्यान हमारा भटक जाता है. We are not been able to do the task which I call power task. But that's
mm,
completely fine. Idea is that we should at least, move one step ahead. Okay, small
Bingo.
growth is also a growth, and if it is happening, then that's like amazing. And being a coach, the job of a coach is not only to just mentor. A coach comes as a accountability partner as well, that make sure
Mm,
that you are taking action, because just motivation will not work. You have to take action, and
mm.
a coach will come into the picture, a smart person who can make sure that you are taking action as a accountability partner. So powerful. I'm so
Totally.
happy that you like all the activities and could feel those activities as well. Okay, so how do you feel now? Matlab, if you compare yourself,
Mm.
what was your feeling now when you have started, and now what how you will compare?
See, earlier in my life, probably 6 months back, when I was not joining the program, at that time I was kind of a fuzz. बहुत सारा मल्टीटास्किंग होता था और कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होता था. But now I'm more calm, composed, relaxed type of person. I have a more clarity of thoughts that what should be done today, what should be probably dedicate to somebody else. तो चीज़ें तो हो रही हैं, वैसे ही हो रही है लाइफ में, बहुत मेजर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चेक नहीं हुआ है, बट यस, उन चीज़ों को डील कैसे करना है एंड हाउ टू कोप अप विद द सिचुएशन, हाउ टू बी पैशनेट अबाउट समथिंग, ये these are the traits which I believe that I have earned over the period of time.
Super amazing, super amazing. So look at this. How amazingly such things help when you have confidence, clarity, when you have tools that you know that you have something wherein, because emotions will come, confusion will come, society or the people around you will respond. Okay, they will react. How
Mm-hmm.
you have to respond, that is the game changer. And in this program, it's not like a motivation program, it's a program of tools and techniques. You just need to learn the tools and techniques, and you can use them in every situation. So powerful. I'm so happy that you could understand that crux. And if I
Thank you.
ask you, because again there are so many learnings during the program, and I also saw you as an action taker always, ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत जो है वो कभी काम हो पाता, कभी नहीं हो पाता, but eventually you are an action taker. This is something which I found. And so how would you define this whole program in 3 words? If somebody asks you to describe
Mm.
this program in 3 words, how would you define?
Just do it. I
uh,
think this is the best I can share with you all guys. Just do it. This is something आपको पता भी नहीं होता कि हम लोग क्या क्या मिस कर रहे हैं और क्या क्या अचीव कर सकते हैं. So you have to do it. पहले आपको करना पड़ेगा, and you have to dedicate yourself for few time, and then you will see how it changes your life, your mindset, your curriculum, your perspective about everything. So just do it. These are the 3 success words.
So I think this is the best, I would say. And never, nobody have, like, people says like, join this program, go for it. And this is one more add-on, like, just do it. Because
Yeah.
trust me, everyone, that if you want a different result in your life, I always say to all my mentees that if you want a different result in your life, you have to take different action. If you keep
Mm,
taking the same action in the same way, you will attract the same result. Okay. So it's very
mm.
important to change your action so that you can see the different results. So go for it. Just do it. I love this. Thank you so much. And so tell me what all you have started now, which you did not do in past. Yeah.
Since I started the program, I have buy a car, जो मेरा बहुत पुराना ड्रीम था लेकिन बहुत दिन से ड्यू था. Then I started writing a book. Reading habit भी ऐड किया है मैंने. और also I'm looking to get a doctorate degree very soon. तो all these journeys, I mean, it was kind of an ambitious thing for me कि अरे कैसे करेंगे and all this stuff. But one by one, over a period of time, with all the confidence that yes, I have to do it. Start करो, बिल्कुल होगा, 100% होगा. So start वाला जो hiccup है, वो अब बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया. अभी कुछ नया करने के पहले सोचना नहीं पड़ता है. अभी we just do it. कर लेते हैं.
Wow, so amazing. I could remember the first meeting with you when you were like wanted to do so much but not been able to start. इस program को start करने में भी you were resisting, but the
Hmm.
conversation went on. So you have decided कि let's do this. And writing a book like you who is super duper busy and doctorate degree again. मतलब I'm feeling so good and so proud of about you. And like अभी आपने बोला मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि now you are not thinking too much of starting anything new. So are you just always push yourself, come out your comfort zone and surprise yourself. Sometimes be surprised. And how was your experience with this soul cleansing, the one which we have done with our parents today?
टुडे इट वाज वेरी इमोशनल. मतलब यूजुअली हम लोग बहुत कुछ सोचते रहते हैं कि मैं भी सोचता हूँ. मैं 2-3 बार साल में अपने पेरेंट्स से मिलने जाते हैं घर पे. दे रिसाइड इन अ डिफरेंट सिटी. बट मैं सोच के जाता हूँ इस बार ये जो करूंगा वो करूंगा, उनके साथ बातें करेंगे, बैठेंगे. बट ये सब बहुत कुछ हो नहीं पाता है जैसे हम प्लान करते हैं, राइट? फिर यू यूज टू डे एक्टिविटीज ही होती जाती हैं. बट टुडे व्हाट आई हैव फेल्ट दैट अगर कुछ मन में है ना तो तुरंत बोल देना चाहिए, अच्छा भी और वट एवर. तो इट इट रियली हेल्प्स. सो इट
Yeah.
वाज वेरी इमोशनल. और अभी आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना कॉल माय पेरेंट्स एंड मैं उनको सब कुछ वो बोलूंगा जो मेरे मन में भी है. सो रियली
Yeah.
हेल्प मी.
Yes. So have you ever thought of, having that strong internal rapport with your parents like this?
It was somewhere missing, but yes, it will build up. It will
Yeah.
definitely build up.
So अभी भी लोग मतलब why people are so holding that should we go for it, not go for it, maybe little unsure. So what if one message, if I ask you to give one message to those people who are still unsure, what that message would be?
See, you rightly said that there are a lot of people who are not very sure about most of the thing, but clarity comes when you do something, when you start doing something, right? और वो जो initially we have discussed that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. तो वो पहला step तो तुरंत लेना ही चाहिए. There can never be a situation, a perfect situation कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा तब हम ये काम करेंगे और ऐसा होगा. So you have to make a way for yourself. Take 15 minutes, 30 minutes out of your life and it will definitely work out for you. तो मैं यही मैसेज दूंगा सारे व्यूअर्स को दैट यू शुड डू इट. स्टार्ट एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल, स्टार्ट स्मॉल बट इट विल वर्क आउट फॉर यू. अपने आप मोटिवेशन आएगा दैट यू विल इवेंचुअली वर्क बेटर फॉर यू.
Yeah, that's so powerful. And I also say the same thing that that D-Day will never come. You will never feel that you are ready. Okay. And you can go back all the decisions you took in your life, the big decisions. You always felt that I'm not ready, be it your marriage or your first baby or whatever it is, like your first promotion. So many things gonna happen, maybe happened in past as well. So trust me, that D-Day is today. You have to take action now, understand the power of now. Okay. सो यस वेरी राइटली सेड दैट कि दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वो बस उसे लेने में ही थोड़ी दिक्कत आती है. जैसे गाड़ी को जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो सबसे ज्यादा पेट्रोल वो तभी लेती है जब वो स्टार्ट होती है. जब वो मोमेंटम में आ जाती है व्हेन इट इज इन 60 की स्पीड पे होती है, 80 की स्पीड पे होती है, उतना पेट्रोल नहीं लगता जितना फर्स्ट गियर में लगता है. सो इट इज लाइक दैट. Very powerful interaction with you, Gaurav. Thank you so much. An amazing journey, Gaurav. I can't express that how happy I'm feeling about you. And your story shows what is
Thanks a
possible.
lot. Yeah.
Your story shows what is possible when we combine the right mindset with consistent action. And I'm so proud of your progress, and I'm sure your story will motivate many others to take that first step too. So thank you for being part of this mission.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much, Priti, for being a mentor, a coach, a guide, a well-wisher in my journey. Because without you or without this kind of a support, I probably have been lost somewhere. तो जो बीच बीच में एक नज था, एक पुश था, that was really required. And I appreciate your thoughts, your everything. I mean, जो content आपने share किए हैं, the way you have given me the meditation कि कैसे कैसे करना है, the disciplined approach, everything works very well for me. And I'm sure that whoever will join the program will have a lot of impact on their life. Yeah. So thank you very
Thank
much,
you so
Priti.
much.
Yeah.
And it's not, the journey will not stop here because there are so many amazing things lined up, and I'm just a call away. Whenever you feel stuck, I'm just a call away, which I have already mentioned. So thank you so much for sharing your amazing experience, loving experience. And if you are watching this and you feel ready to take that power step in your growth, like Gaurav did, then don't wait. You just need to message growth, and we are going to connect and explore that how you can create the same kind of transformation in your career, mindset, and life. Thank you so much for watching this. Now take the action. This is something which is expected from you. Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye bye.